Hi everyone, my name is Claire. I have been working for the same mental health agency for the last 4 years in Massachusetts. Right now I am doing in-home family therapy work. And before that I was a therapeutic mentor and an intensive care coordinator. The entire 4 years I've worked primarily with children and their families to support, the mental health needs of the children. And I've gotten really interested in that population, working with children's mental health, really mental health in general. I think that's kind of where I would like to continue. I really am interested in the clinical aspect of social work, and over the last couple of years is kind of when I started thinking about going back to school, and I was kind of on the fence about, where do I want to go? What do I want that to look like? What kind of program? There's a lot of schools in Massachusetts that are pretty close, but it was hard to find one that really fit my needs, and also where I travel a lot for my job because I meet families at their homes, and then I also have a part-time job in addition. I think commuting was kind of a factor for me as well, and I really didn't know I live outside of Boston. There's a lot of schools in Boston, but I don't live in Boston, so driving in and out of the city felt like a lot. So I did some research and I eventually found this program, and I'm really interested in the fact that it's very clinical, trauma focused. That's what I'm really interested in. I would love to continue on the clinical route, maybe work with trauma. I do enjoy working with children. I would maybe be interested in, young adults as well. But yeah, I think, 4 years is enough time to get some experience under my belt and kind of know what I want to do and where I want to go with this. So yeah, I'm excited, and I look forward to spending the next few years with the rest of you guys. Thank you.